Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove multiple friends on Snapchat at once. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open your Snapchat profile and click on my friends, and here is my friend list. And so here we can't see any option to remove multiple friends at once. So if you want to delete or remove friends from your Snapchat friend list, then you have to delete one by one. So tap the friends profile, then click on more and click on remove friend. So if you really want to delete or remove multiple friends on Snapchat, then you have to delete your Snapchat account. Otherwise here is no option to delete multiple friends at once. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.